Have you ever felt your heart racing for no reason? Or maybe you've experienced sudden chest tightness, fatigue that doesn't make sense, or even irregular heartbeats that made you stop and wonder, what's happening inside my body? If you've had moments like these, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle silently with high cholesterol and triglycerides, two hidden threats that slowly build up without warning, until one day, they strike. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us incredible tools to protect ourselves. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a powerful natural juice recipe that, when combined with simple lifestyle habits, can help bring your cholesterol and triglycerides back into balance. This isn't just about avoiding illness. It's about giving your body the chance to feel alive again, to breathe deeply without worry, and to live with energy and confidence. Before we dive in, I want to ask you something important. How did this video find you today? Was it through a search, a recommendation, or maybe a friend who cares about your health shared it with you? However it reached you, trust that you're here for a reason. And if you're serious about taking care of your heart, then make sure you hit the like button right now, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell, because I share natural remedies and life-changing health tips every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about something we often ignore until it's too late: cholesterol and triglycerides. These two are like silent intruders. Cholesterol, believe it or not, is not the villain we've been taught to fear. It's actually essential for your body. Every cell you have contains cholesterol, and you need it to make hormones, vitamin D, and even the bile that digests your food. Triglycerides, on the other hand, are simply fats that circulate in your blood, storing energy for later use. But here's the catch. When their levels climb too high, everything changes. Instead of protecting you, they begin to harm you. They clog arteries, strain the heart, and increase the risk of devastating events like heart attacks and strokes. That's why understanding how to control these levels naturally is one of the most empowering things you can do for your long-term health. So let's get to the part you've been waiting for: the recipe. This juice is simple, delicious, and packed with compounds that research shows can help lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides while boosting the good cholesterol that your body actually needs. Here's what you'll need: 1 fresh apple, half of a cucumber, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, and about 200 milliliters of pure water. Sounds simple, right? But wait until you understand why these ingredients work together like a dream team for your cardiovascular system. First, the apple. Sweet, crisp, refreshing. An apple is more than just a fruit. It's a fiber powerhouse. Apples are loaded with soluble fiber, especially pectin, which binds with cholesterol in your digestive tract and literally pulls it out of your body before it can enter your bloodstream. Think of it as a natural scrub for your arteries. Every sip of this juice is like giving your blood vessels a gentle cleanse. Next, the cucumber. Light, hydrating, and low in calories, cucumbers are often overlooked. But did you know they are packed with water and compounds that help regulate blood sugar and support cholesterol control? They also help you stay hydrated, and proper hydration is key for a healthy metabolism and circulation. Now, ginger. Oh, ginger is magical. For centuries, it has been used in traditional medicine for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is one of the driving forces behind high cholesterol and cardiovascular disease. By calming down that hidden fire in your body, ginger allows your cholesterol and triglyceride levels to move back toward balance. And finally, flax seeds. These tiny seeds might look insignificant, but don't let their size fool you. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the very same heart-protecting fats found in fish. Omega-3s help reduce LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, the good cholesterol. They also lower triglyceride levels, making flax seeds one of the most effective plant-based allies for your heart. Now here's how to prepare it. Wash the apple and cucumber thoroughly, chop them into pieces, and add them to your blender. Sprinkle in the grated ginger, the tablespoon of flax seeds, pour in the water, and blend until smooth. That's it. In less than 5 minutes, you've created a natural heart-healing elixir. Drink 1 glass every morning, and over time, you may notice improvements not only in your blood test results, but also in your energy, your focus, and even your mood. But listen carefully. While this juice is powerful, it's not a magic bullet. If you really want to transform your health, You need to combine it with lifestyle changes that support healthy cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Let's talk about those because they matter just as much as what you put into your blender. First, exercise. And no, I don't mean running marathons or spending hours in the gym. I'm talking about simple, consistent movement. Walking, cycling, swimming, dancing, anything that gets your heart pumping. Studies show that regular aerobic exercise raises your good cholesterol and lowers triglycerides. Just 30 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Second, your diet. Keep it colorful. Fill your plate with vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins. Cut back on processed foods, sugary snacks, and fried items that only add to the problem. This doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love, but remember, every bite you take is either fighting for your health or against it. Third, watch the hidden culprits. Alcohol, smoking, and even poor sleep habits can all push your cholesterol and triglycerides in the wrong direction. If you drink, do it in moderation. If you smoke, know that every puff damages your arteries. And when it comes to sleep, consistency is everything. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your hormones, reduces stress, and supports your body in balancing cholesterol naturally. Speaking of stress, let's not ignore one of the biggest invisible enemies of modern life. Chronic stress doesn't just affect your mind, it wreaks havoc on your heart. When stress hormones remain high, they increase cholesterol and triglycerides, while lowering the good cholesterol your body desperately needs. This is why practicing relaxation techniques is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's yoga, meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking a quiet walk in nature, find what calms your soul and make it a daily practice. Now, I want you to pause and ask yourself, how are your cholesterol and triglyceride levels right now? When was the last time you checked? Imagine holding that blood test in your hands and seeing numbers that make you proud instead of worried. That future is possible, and it begins with simple choices like drinking this juice and making small lifestyle adjustments. If this video has inspired you so far, don't keep it to yourself. Hit the like button right now, it really supports this channel and allows me to keep bringing you life-changing content. And please, share this video with someone you love. You never know whose life you could impact just by passing along a natural remedy like this. As we come toward the end of this video, I want to remind you, health is not about perfection. It's about progress. Every morning you choose to drink this juice, every step you take outside for a walk, every time you decide to breathe deeply instead of stressing, that's progress. That's healing. And over time, those little choices add up to a heart that beats stronger, arteries that flow freely, and a life filled with vitality. So here's my challenge for you. Starting tomorrow morning, prepare this juice. Commit to drinking it daily for at least 21 days. Combine it with better sleep, more movement, and a little more peace in your daily life. And then, notice how you feel. Notice the lightness in your body, the calm in your mind, and maybe even the smile on your doctor's face when your numbers improve. And before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling me what day of the week you found this video and whether you're ready to take the 21-day juice challenge. I read every single comment, and your story could inspire someone else who is watching right now. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, because I'll be sharing even more natural remedies and health secrets that you can use to transform your life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. Remember, your health is your greatest treasure, and you have the power to protect it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay healthy, and keep your heart strong. Goodbye for now.